Hey guys, it's Zara here, back here with another video, and today I'm gonna be eating this. I forgot what it's called. Zara, what is it called?
Honey Mirch.
In Urdu.
Yeah,
In
but
English.
it's like
It's a pepper. It's a pepper, but I
yeah,
forgot.
it's a hot pepper.
It's
a hot
this.
It's a really hot pepper.
It's not like ghost pepper or something. It's like it's hot, but nobody eats it alone like this. So I'm gonna be trying to do it, but without milk or water or anything.
But if she likes like dying, then she'll drink milk
Yeah.
or something.
So let's get started. Should I really do this?
Yes.
Yes.
If
I
you're a
tried
full-time
it before.
savage.
Nobody says that anymore. Okay, in 3, 2, 1.
She ate it. This is not a prank.
Oh my god. Do not try this at home, please.
But I smell the spice.
How do you smell it?
See?
Okay.
See, look. She bit it.
Oh, I swallowed it. Oh!
My eyes.
Is it your throat? Your throat? Oh no. That's a bad sign that if something feels in your throat. Your eyes are red. Zad, your eyes are red. Zad, your eyes are red. Your eyes are red,
ज़ारा मछली के ऊपर दूध नहीं पीना रखो मछली के ऊपर दूध नहीं पीते हाँ
She can't drink milk.
समझ में नहीं आती कोई बात ज़ारा को
She can't drink milk. She has to drink cold water. And this video is not sponsored.
It's not sponsored.
You're so stupid.
It's not sponsored by NJP.
Oh my god.
Isn't it actually that spicy?
But no, it's in my throat.
See, look. See the peppers.
This is like
She ate that one. She didn't eat that one yet.
she took half of that one.
Okay guys, I'll see you in the next video.
Bye.